When we build a Father's Day menu, the beverage is often an afterthought. We usually lean toward heavy stouts or neat pours of dark liquor, but a celebratory drink can provide weight and complexity without the density of cream or spirits. The Honey Ginger Citrus Sparkler is built on a ratio of honey, fresh spice, and acid. This combination is meticulously designed to create these distinct layers of flavor while maintaining a crisp, light texture. Before we start, gather the hardware. You will need a small saucepan, a fine mesh strainer, a mixing pitcher, and your serving glassware. Next, prep your organic ingredients. The entire profile relies on a core trio of raw honey, fresh ginger root, and raw citrus. For an adult upgrade, you will also want a quality bourbon or dark rum on hand. As long as you respect the preparation steps for these raw components, you will achieve a balanced result, even if you have zero mixology experience. Step 1 is building the foundation of the entire drink. We start at the stovetop to prepare the syrup. In your saucepan, combine exactly 1/2 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of sliced or grated fresh ginger. Apply gentle heat for a strict 3 to 5 minute window. This specific time frame allows the honey to fully dissolve while activating the oils in the ginger root. Cautionary: watch the temperature closely. Do not let the mixture boil. High heat alters the honey's delicate flavor and breaks down its physical texture. Once the 5 minutes are up, remove the pan from the heat. Let it rest undisturbed for 10 minutes to maximize the flavor extraction from the ginger. Pour the mixture through your fine mesh strainer to remove the solid ginger pieces, and let the remaining liquid cool. You now have an infused syrup. This acts as the critical structural bridge, connecting the sharp acidity of the citrus we are about to prep to the eventual carbonation. Now we transition away from the heat. Bring out your mixing pitcher to start assembling the chilled base. First, establish the citrus volume to balance out the sweet syrup. Pour in 1 cup of fresh orange juice and a 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice. Next, pour exactly 1/2 cup of the cooled honey ginger syrup into that raw citrus mix. This timeline flowchart shows the exact order of operations. If you are including the optional 4 to 6 ounces of bourbon or rum, it must be inserted precisely here, immediately after the citrus base. Observe the result of reversing this order. Adding the room temperature alcohol after the sparkling water triggers an immediate release of carbon dioxide. The agitation from stirring in a new liquid forces the gas out, leaving the drink flat. With all the flat ingredients now in the pitcher, give them a thorough mix to ensure they are completely homogenized. Assembling and integrating these flat components first creates a stable foundation. This protects the physical integrity and effervescent texture lent to drink when we add the carbonation. Wait to execute this final bulk assembly phase until the exact moments right before serving. Pour 2 to 3 cups of heavily chilled sparkling water directly into the pitcher. Limit yourself to a single, incredibly gentle stir. You need to preserve as many of those volatile bubbles as possible. Immediately transition the finished liquid from the master pitcher into individual serving glasses, packed with fresh ice. For the structural garnish, tuck an orange slice and a lemon wheel down the side of the glass, and place a fresh mint sprig at the top. That gentle handling of the carbonation is the sole mechanic keeping the drink's profile crisp rather than heavy. The glass is fully assembled and garnished, ready for the final signature touch. Take a spoon and apply a thin, precise drizzle of honey directly onto the mint sprig, or down the interior rim of the glass. Because the iced liquid is sitting at freezing temperatures, it radically slows the honey's natural melt rate. This dynamic area chart maps out why that slow melt matters. Instead of a single sugary note, the melting honey creates an evolving sweetness that develops as you drink. The result is a sip that moves sequentially: bright citrus up front, a warming plateau of ginger in the middle, and a smooth, expanding honey finish. This sequence of immediate citrus, warming ginger, and lingering honey creates a drink specifically structured for a celebratory occasion.